Let's fix Google Chrome not installed on Windows. Solution number 1. Go to Windows search. Now type run. Now click on run. Now write C:/program files. Now click OK. Now click on the Google folder, right click it and delete this folder. Now close this window. Again go to Google search, type run, click OK and type %local app data %. Click OK. Now select Google folder in this window, right click it. Now delete this folder. Now close the window. Go to Windows search. Now type command prompt. Right click on command prompt and run as administrator. Now if you are using 32-bit operating system, use this command. Now if you are using 64-bit operating system, use this command. Now press enter. After typing the command and close your command prompt. Now after closing this, restart your PC. Now here comes the second solution. Go to your control panel. Now go to System and Security. Now click on Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Make sure your Windows Defender Firewall should be turned off. And these two options has to be selected to turn off Windows Defender Firewall. Now after selecting these two options, click OK. Now close this window and restart your PC and your problem will get resolved. Thanks for watching the video.